I came home one day and she had destroyed my home by putting 2 holes in my wall.
What?
Yes.
What? Come on now. Come on, Danielle. What's going on with your daughter destroying her home like that? What happened?
Well, she's a teenager, Your Honor. And, I'm a single mom now. She barely sees her dad. She had a lot of major transitions. So she's been having challenges with, handling her emotions.
So what happened to the wall?
She took her fist out of anger and she punched with her fist in the drywall.
So you and your daughter are having an argument.
Yes, Your Honor.
And she is angry and she punches. But that's not an accident. Come on, let's call it what it is. So what did you do when the holes were in the wall?
I talked to my cousin Danielle and I explained this is not acceptable. I understand that your daughter is going through things. I understand the situation at hand, but this is unacceptable behavior and you're damaging my home. My cousin said that she would take care of it, and
did she?
Well, she talked to her daughter. I paid for the repairs, and she helped me patch up the holes, and we moved past that. That was the first incident, Your Honor. The second incident.
More than one?
Yes. I came home, and Brielle had her teenage friends over my home smoking marijuana.
Ooh.
I told Danielle about that as well, and while she understood and apologized, she minimized the situation as she continued.
Your Honor.
As she continued.
Well, you were
to
just
do.
minimizing the holes in the wall. So what was your reaction?
I was shocked first, initially disappointed, and I pulled Brielle to the side. We had a stern conversation, and she was grounded. No phones, she had to update me on her whereabouts. So I did handle it, Your Honor.
How long was she under punishment?
For at least 2 weeks.
But the rule is that she was not supposed to have company in the house. I'm assuming
correct.
That's the rule. That certainly was the rule in my house when I was growing up. That happens, and were you satisfied that your cousin had dealt with this sufficiently with her daughter?
Truth of the matter, no, Your Honor.
Tell me why not.
Because this was the second incident, and in talking to my cousin, just as you see here now, she minimizes everything, and it's always, but she's a teenager, or, but you understand the situation, or, well, look at what we're going through. While I understand all of that to be true, however, it doesn't minimize the damage and the destruction that her daughter is causing, and she needs to do something and hold her daughter accountable. I have pictures, Your Honor, if I could show you.
But Your Honor, she's acting as if my daughter Brielle completely destroyed her home, as if her home is still not intact.
Well,
it's still
it feels
there.
like it.
She has a home.
It feels like it.
Your house is still there.
Well, what happened? What happened that brings you to court specifically now? There was some damage that happened. And then I want to get back to the whole thing about Brielle. But tell me what happened.
Well, the room that Brielle was sleeping in caught fire.
How did it catch fire?
Brielle left a sweater on my radiator.